Hi, my name is Brian Bento, and this is my project titled Neural Network-Based Predator-Prey Multi-Agent Systems Trained Using Online Neuroevolution. Basically, I created a simulation of natural selection with sheep and wolves, where the sheep wanted to learn how to find the grass and avoid wolves, and the wolves wanted to find and eat the sheep. I did this project for my Neural Networks class at Harvey Mudd College in 2004. So, in order to select the best sheep to be used to procreate, to mate with each other, I took how much food they consumed and the number of times they were bitten by wolves, and I also added an overeating penalty. Then I selected the top sheep, I mated them together, I mutated some of them to generate the next generation. For the wolves, it was even simpler. I simply took the number of times the wolves ate sheep, and I also had an overeating penalty. And they took also as an input where the other sheep and other wolves and grass was in the arena, so that they could determine what they should do, what direction they should move, and so forth. So here's an image of the applet. This is a Java applet. I decided to make a Java applet because I wanted it to be accessible to anyone who has the Java runtime and an internet browser, so they could play around with this simulation. In this picture you have the red circles, which are the wolves. Inside the red circle is a number, and that number represents how many generations that wolf has survived. The blue circles are the sheep, and the black circles are the grass. I have all of the details about the parameters that you can tweak and what they mean down here, and what my results were. Now let's take a look at the applet itself. So here's the applet. Up here you can download the Eclipse project with the source code. If you don't have the Java runtime, you can download it. I have a link up here. It's probably outdated now. And if you scroll down, you can go ahead and tweak some of these parameters. Now, I'm going to set the run speed to be 10. You might want to increase the run speed so you can have more generations occur. And then I'm going to hit start so you can see what happens. So here you can see that the blue circles are the sheep, and they're moving in one direction, and the wolves are moving in a different direction. Over time you'll see different types of behavior. The wolves might go towards the grass because that's where the sheep are going to go. And I have a graph over here on the right of the most fit individual over time. And you'll see that the most fit wolf and the most fit sheep, sometimes they vary. The sheep become very fit, the wolves are less fit, and then they go back to equilibrium. So if you have any questions about this, you can email me at bbento@gmail.com. I created this application to simulate evolution, and just because we have evolutionary properties doesn't mean that this was not created. And in a similar way with the intelligent design of evolution concept, there's no reason why we couldn't have God create the world, which then evolves. That's just the system that might have been created. If you have any comments or suggestions about this program or the intelligent design of evolution, you can visit the Intelligent Design of Evolution group on ideapals.org. Thank you.